Hello, little readers. Are you ready to level up your reading skills? Today, we will practice sentences that start with the word we. Let's begin. We can go. Let's read it again. We can go. Now, you give it a try. Good job. We can play today. Let's read that again. We can play today. Now, you give it a try. Awesome. We go to school. Let's read it again. We go to school. Now it's your turn. Good job. We go to the park. Let's read it again. We go to the park. Now you give it a try. Great. Great job. Remember to keep practicing. I'll see you later.